Hey guys, Catherine here. I am doing another Dot Mandala today, but today I'm doing it on this bit of canvas. I painted this forest background on this canvas years and years ago, and I haven't done anything with it ever since. I did intend to do like a field of flowers rising up in front of it at one point, but that never happened. And I have been playing around with dot mandalas lately, so I would like to do some dots on this. And I decided that as a step toward getting it finished, I am going to put a sun in the sky. So I'm going to grab my Sharpie and get it good and saturated with the color that I've decided that I'm going to do as the center of the sun, and go ahead and set that down on the canvas, and then grab a little bit more and set that down again, just dotting it outward just a little bit. Okay, and then setting that Sharpie aside because I'm done with it, because that has created the center for me. I am going to forego the X-Acto knife this time. I think I don't, in this space, it's small enough that I think I don't want to use it. But I am still going to use this stick. So I'm going to grab some of this orange with the stick and do the same thing I did last time. Only this time I'm going to start off with 8 dots around the center rather than 6? 6 last time? Yeah, rather than 6. So start off with 8 dots around the center this time. There we go. So I just did one opposite the other, and then in between those, and then outward from that. And then I want to do a different color. So I want to go back to my center color, that sort of orangey yellow. I've got this great big bright yellow over here, but I'll save that for a second. And put a dot in between each of those. There we go. This one kind of likes to spread a little bit. Well, I couldn't tell with the Sharpie because it was the first one and I hadn't done anything else yet. But one kind of likes to spread a little bit, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. I kind of like that. It allows me to get different sized dots with the same tool because of the different thicknesses of the paint. And then what I want to do is switch over to my dotting tool, I think, and grab the larger end and grab the bright yellow and put a series of dots that cascade smaller like that. So starting at the center and working my way around just on one side, because I want this to look swirly, and if it has them only going one direction, then it sort of will look swirly. There we go. There we are, and then I think I want to go back to the orange on the stick and put an orange right at the end of each of those swirls. There we are. And then I want to put one off to each side of that with the orange. There we go. So that it gives us a nicely delineated line of orange. Breaks it up and gives it a clear, round distinction. There we are. Okay, and then I think I want to go back to the muted yellow and nestle it in between each of those. The second row of orange dots. Did I do that right? No, I didn't. Oh, hang on. That one's in the wrong place. See if I can tear off a bit of this and see if I can't take it off without messing up the rest of the dots. Aha! Success. Okay. Try again. There we go. All right, and then I think I want to go back to the bright yellow and do the same thing that I did the first time. Give it a swirly look to it. And don't set my hand in the paint. Okay. And then grab my skewer and go back in with that bright yellow and do just one out further in the places where it'll fit. Now obviously the sun is going below the horizon here, so I can't put one there, but in the places where it will fit, a larger dot is being placed. And there we go. That might be it for that sun. I kind of like it. I think it might be done. I think I might have to come back in and do more dots for other things. I might start, I'll toss in some sky actually. I've got some blue over here. I will put in some sky just in between those. There we go. And there we go. Yeah. I like it. I think it turned out well. And that's the sun in the sky. I may go through and put more dots in the sky, like mix it up with a different blue or just like random dots and different size dots. I don't know. I haven't got any other blues out right now, so I don't think I will. If I do, I'll put it in a different video. How about that? I'll get a different palette and get out some more sky colors other than just that one and do it in a different video. But for now, this painting has the sun in the sky. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd be glad to hear from you. Like it if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Bye.